Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this quick video I'll show to you guys how you can make your Facebook account a private account. So after you have logged in on your account, you basically have to go over the account over here at the corner, and then over here you have to find settings and privacy. Once you have found settings and privacy, or this gear icon, you click over there, and then from these options on the right you have to click over privacy checkup, and then it will show you these settings which are related with the privacy checkup. The most important one actually is this one: who can see what you share. Basically with this option or with these settings we can customize who can have access on our posts, on our friend list, etc. So we click over there, and here it is. We can review who can see profile information, audience, tagging, and blocking. So we click over continue, and here it is. The first thing is regarding the email address. So these are the profile information that I have uploaded on my Facebook, and I can customize who can see those. So for example, my email, it's only me. If I want to change, I click over there, and then I can say okay, my email can be seen from friends, and then I click over save. The birthday is the same thing. I'm gonna choose only me actually. I don't think it's necessary to see the others. So we click over save. The same thing for friends of friends. The birth year I can specify to be only for me, or let's say friends of friends, whatever you like. Relationship, I'm gonna make it public. No, I'm just gonna make it only me. It's not important to be seen from the others. Who can see your friend list? In this case it's public, but I'll make this only me, and then I'll save it. So basically by doing those things I'm privating or making my account very private. Who can see your friend list? Again, only me. I can change here for specific friends, for friends of friends, etc, etc, but I'm gonna choose only me. Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow? Actually I don't want the people to see who I follow, so I'm just gonna save it and make it only me. Next, then again, who can see your future posts? This is for friends, and that's fine for that. Who can see your stories? Again, I'm choosing only friends, and I'm gonna save it. Limit who can see past posts. By clicking over limit past post, you are limiting the posts that you have already published. And to revert this, so if you click over limit past post, then you have to go over each post and to make it public if you want the people to see it. But I'm just gonna make it limit past post so people don't have to see very old posts on my page. And then the next thing, who can see your reels? I'm gonna make it friends again for this one, and then I click over save. Once I customize this how I like it, I click over next, and here you have more information. Who can see posts that you are tagged in your profile? I'm just going to choose in friends again, and review when you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it. Again, only friends I'm putting here. Review tags that people add to your post before the tags appear to the Facebook. Yes, this is very important. Review posts that you are tagged in before the post appears in your profile. Yes, also for this. And then we click over next. So blocking, this is the last thing that you can try to do it. You can block someone and he will no longer see things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. So if you really want to block someone, you click over blocking here and you block that person that is bothering you, and you don't want him to see anymore anything from your profile. We click over next, and you are all set up. Review another topic. So basically this is the most important thing that you have to do in order to make your account private. How people can find you on Facebook is also important. So basically you can customize here who can send you friend requests. You can make it everyone, or you can make it friends of friends. So in this way you limit the people that can send you friend requests. Who can send you friend requests? Friends of friends. And then we click over next. Who can Facebook suggest your profile to based on your phone number or email address? Possible connection, people with your phone number. Basically I'm just gonna choose friends, and then again for here I'm gonna choose friends and then save. Next, do you want search engine outside Facebook to link to your profile? No, I don't want that. I'm just gonna keep it disabled, and then I click over next, and then this is all done. So basically those are the settings that you have to adjust in order to make your profile private. I hope this video will help you to make accounts private, because actually in this world where AI is getting crazy, I think it's a good idea to make more private our accounts so people cannot steal our pictures or our stories or whatsoever. So let's make our profiles or our private data more private, that and our pictures are not all over the internet. That's all that I want to share with you guys today. I hope you like this video, and please consider subscribing to our channel if you like our content. All the best. Thank you.